Hey guys, welcome back to Candy's Natural Hair Dynamics. This is Candy, and today's video is my homemade protein treatment. And this is one of my go-to treatments for strengthening and nourishing the hair. And the first ingredient that I'm starting off with is an egg. And then to that I am going to be adding some mayonnaise, and both the egg and the mayonnaise actually act as sources of protein in this concoction. So I'm adding 3 heaping tablespoons of the mayonnaise to that. Yes. And the third ingredient is some extra virgin olive oil, and this just helps to introduce shine to your hair. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. Yes, and this is a very important ingredient, guys, and it is in my Jamaican rum bottle, but that's not what's in it. It's some honey, and this is some organic honey raised at a local farm, and I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of that also. And this also helps with moisture and shine. And the big dog, Jamaican black castor oil, for strengthening, for growth, for thickness, and don't underestimate its ability to create that awesome shine. Yes, and it's very moisturizing too, you best believe that. And of course, you have to put your essential oils, because yes, these are good for your scalp, and they also help to add a more pleasant aroma to the mixture. So I'm just adding a few drops of the rosemary, maybe 5 drops, and the same with the lavender oil. It was a little bit of a challenge to get the oil to be dispensed, but it's, yeah. So now I am going to mix all the ingredients together to try to get it to, come together nicely. Make sure everything is incorporated. And the spoon was kind of a challenge, so I switched and used a fork, which was more effective. Just whip that baby up. Yeah, and as you can see, it's not a very thick consistency. Not very thick at all, but I can assure you it's very moisturizing. So now I'm about to apply the treatment to my freshly washed hair, and I just went ahead and I poured the treatment into this bottle because I found that it wasn't thick enough for me to scoop it with my fingers, so it was more convenient to use a bottle. So I'm just squirting it all over my hair, being careful to ensure that every single strand gets coated with this goodness. Yes, and if you have thicker hair, then you would want to concentrate more so on the ends of the hair, and then you can work the product towards the roots. But as you can see, I really don't have much hair on my head. At least I didn't at the time when I was doing the treatment, and as such, it is pretty easy for me to, apply it all over. And I'm just using my fingers just to work the product in. And as you can already tell, it has already softened my hair up immensely. It is so soft to the touch, and my curls are popping. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this shower cap to my hair in order to just allow the product to, to just penetrate a little bit better. See, my hair has been rinsed out and it feels amazingly soft, guys. I can't explain, you just have to try it for yourself. But thanks for watching, and until next time, talk to you.